to wash the wash basin. That is the left hand side. I think it is Dettol also we have to put it on water. Phenol or Dettol we have to put on the water. Wash it with Dettol is that so we have to put Dettol with fill and we have to wash it. Salty I have to clean like this, using the Dettol we have to clean. It will be neat. You have to keep it here only. And then this like this, yes, you can use and you have to clean it out like this. Brush or small brush available that will be. So using this you have to put the Dettol and you have to brush it with nice brush are available. So using this you have to brush it, nice brush is that. So using this you have to brush it. Soft neela blue, dark blue, neela color. You have to put a neela like this, and this and light blue combination is very people like this contrast combination you have to give it and the contrast color and light blue, dark it is combination like light pink, dark pink, light this color, dark maroon. So like this combination is very nice. So you have to use it. And contrast light and blue contrast color you have to use it. కొంచెం బాగా సార్ liquid blue color. This is a liquid for white, making white blue. So the white cloth doesn't get any dirty. इलाका कुनी होता हल्का वजह का नीला मुड़ा कपड़ा खराब नहीं होते इसके लिए नीला कलर डालते this also same color like this here to use it as it is made up of a squared arc shape this oval shape here. So oval shape in max and it is like a bending little. It is of a obtuse angle triangle we are using. Here it is in the rectangular form. It is சரிவாக ட்ரெப்பீசியம் லைக் இது செவ்வாகம் இது ட்ரெப்பீசியம் கணக்காக இது பெண்டிங் விரிகோணம் இது ஓவல் ஷேப் is here one line is there. Here all the line we are having self commutative associative multi property we are having. Self commutative associative property we are having. This is of a self commutative associative properties of uniform multi property we are having here using in max. So it is of 90 degree perpendicular to use it here as Sengona. 90 degree 90 degree में रखा ये Sengona है. 90 degree में रखा ये rectangle ना செவ்வாய் இருக்குது செவ்வாய் பெண்டிங்னா வளைவாக இருக்குது விரிகோணம்னா it is more than 90 less than 90 degree தொண்ணூறோட கூட 180 கூட 90 degree से जास्ती 180 से कम में सेल्फ कम्यूटेटिव associative. So oval shape ना नील वटा लंबा वटा बोलते हैं लंबा वटा सेल्फ कम्यूटेटिव associative आड़े बंद तरहते कम्यूटेटिव मार्केट गुड्डा प्रॉपर्टी associative property na associative property we are having this triangle na chevaga 0 degree it's sorry விரிகோணம் na obtuse angle more than 90 less than 180 தொண்ணூறோட கூட 180 கூட 90 डिग्री से जास्ती 180 से कम है 90 डिग्री से कम है 90 ना चंगोणम राइट एंगल चलवांगा चंगोणम चलवांगा 90 डिग्री 180 में 180 180 डिग्री 180 डिग्री ना कोण सावी